Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be drawing a 3D star, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the little bell and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a single video. Let's get started. So what you want to do first is a star. So I'm just going to draw a normal regular star. Okay, just a star, just do a star. Okay. Let's do a normal star. Okay. Okay, well, that's kind of what I want. So now what you want to do, you're going to erase the line. So I already got my eraser here. I'm just going to erase those lines. Draw it a bit harder. Alright, and there, that's kind of what I want you to do. And okay, now if you have something that's sort of like a square, you could get a book if you want. I'm just getting a blank canvas. I'm gonna use this, I think, next time in my video about painting, but I have no idea when my watercolor paints are coming. I wonder why. So let me see. Okay, we'll take your book or a ruler or anything. I can't find my ruler anywhere, so I'm just gonna do it like this. That's better. Okay, now you wanna hold it like this. And now what you wanna do, you're gonna like trace it. So what I'm about to do, just watch. You're gonna make it, yeah, like that. Hold up, is there a trace here? Ah, that's better. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. So right about here, you're gonna hold it against. And just draw and connect. I'm just gonna erase this part. Okay, I'm gonna make this a bit longer. Okay, like that. Okay, you could add some design. Okay, now you could just take the canvas again, put it like sort of like right here. And just draw a straight little line like that. And you can draw one right about here. Maybe I don't need this canvas. And just like that. See? Just an easy little 3D star. Wait, what am I doing? I'm gonna try and make this a bit longer and bigger. Okay, this is okay. This is better. This is better. Okay. Now this is what I like to do for all 3D stars. I like to put something like this so that it kind of looks like 3D, but you do not need to put it if you want. Okay, now you can like add designs. I do this all the time. So you can go ahead and do that. have your 3D star. I hope this was an easy tutorial. And now I'm just gonna fast forward and color this. You could watch if you want. And there you go. This is my 3D star. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up and share, comment, and subscribe. So that's kind of it for today. So, alright, I'll see you in my next video.